Okay, now we start to introduce the pico laser machine. Okay, this is the power line. Glasses for protecting eyes, and the replace hat for the working handle, and the key, and some screws, and the shelf for the working handle and the machine, and the balance hammer, foot switch, and this is the water cup and the water tube. Okay, the shelf is making Korea. Okay, before using this machine, we have to inject full water inside, okay? This is the water inlet hole and water outlet hole. And this is the water overflow hole. And now we will inject the water. Firstly, we have to insert the water cup into the water inlet hole, okay? Before installation, we have to put the press the silver button and make sure this tip is up. Then insert the water cup. You will hear the sound. And when you want to remove it, we also need to press the silver button and then pull out. Okay. And at the same time, we have to insert this tube to the water overflow hole. Okay. When the water is full inside, it will come out from the water overflow hole. Okay, water is full inside. And then when you want to release the water inside, we just need to exchange the hole. Put this water tube into the water outlet hole and then insert the water cup to the water overflow hole. Okay. Then the water will come out from the water outlet hole. Okay, first step, we will install the balance hammer. We should put into the correct position and then use the tool and screws to tie it. Okay, next step, put the shelf on the machine and make sure all the screws and the holes matched. And then put some screws. There are total 4 pieces. And use the tool to tie it. Okay, then next step, install well all the power line, the cables. And the last step, just need to install well the cable which between the machine and the shelf. Last step, insert well the key. Okay, next step we will introduce to install well the working hats. And in this position, we can open the door and then take out the working hats. And when you want to change a new handle, we can turn this position and then install well the new one. Okay, just need to tie it. It is okay. Okay, install well the foot switch. Okay, now we start the machine. This is the red button. Okay, we should press and then turn the key, and this is the emergency button. Okay, you can see we enter into this screen, and this is the diode laser system and the pico laser system. Okay, Now we press. Okay, here is the power setting. Okay, we should press and then setting. Okay, increase or decrease. And here it shows the temperature for the machine. Okay, this is the cooling button. You can press on and off, and the flow, water flow shows. And you can see that there are 3 functions for the diode laser system: fast mode, normal mode, and the skin germination. For the normal mode, they are also setting the power, okay, decrease and increase, and the pulse. You can also setting by yourself, and this shows the temperature and cooling system, cooling button, and the frequency setting. Okay, after setting all parameters, press ready. Then we can start the treatment. And the same operation for the skin rejuvenation mode. Okay, power setting, pulse setting, and this shows the temperature and the flow and the frequency setting, cooling button. Okay, after setting all, ready. Okay. And next one, we will introduce the pico laser system. Okay, and this here is setting the power. Okay, and for the first treatment, we advise we can start the treatment from the lower level. Okay, from 200, maybe increase step by step if your client can accept. Okay, and the frequency adjustment also setting by yourself. Okay, after setting all, press start. Now we will start the hair removal treatment. Before doing this treatment, we have to put the gel on the treatment part. Okay. And after that, we should set the parameter on the screen. After setting, we just need to put the working handle on the treatment part. Okay, and then press. There is a white button here, and then press the white button. And we should work on the treatment part slowly.